Hello everyone, it's me again, George with Stampin Up, and I'll be showing off some new product and giving you a little training today. Very exciting stuff, so let's jump in and see what we have. Here is one of our new style dies. Now at first, it's honestly hard to tell these are new, which is a good thing because you won't have to learn something completely different. Now with that being said, there are a few things I would like to point out. First, these dies are thinner, stronger, and more durable. Now let me show you the most noticeable difference, the alignment. As you can see, these dies have a larger inner edge that will line up and really hug the stamped image. This allows for better alignment when you're using them. One thing I like to do is line up one side of the die throw a little washi tape on there. And then just move to the other side and do the same thing. Line it up, throw a little washi tape on there, and you are good to go. You can run your die straight through your machine and it will keep it in place. And here is your die cut image. Now, I cannot express enough how versatile these dies really are because they will work in any machine as long as you follow that machine's specific guidelines. So again, not a big learning curve at all. Now let's check out our new style 3D embossing folders that continue to come in high quality, amazing designs that deliver detailed embossed images. It is very important to note that our new style 3D embossing folders are thinner than our old dynamic folders. This means that as you use our new 3D embossing folders with different machines, you will need to do some shimming to get that embossed image that you are looking for. But wait, let me show you one more thing. Our new 3D embossing folder plate that will help you with your new 3D embossing folders. This 3D embossing folder plate makes up the difference in thickness between our old dynamic folders and our new 3D embossing folders. Now while this plate makes up the difference in thickness for the folders, you may still need to add a thin shim to get that desired embossing depending on the machine you're using. Now here's where the training comes into play. To use this new plate, all you need to do is make sure your sandwich looks something like this. The 3D embossing folder plate actually replaces the standard cutting pads in your 3D embossing folder sandwich. You will want to use a die cutting and embossing machine platform as a base, no matter which 21mm machine you're using. Use the standard platform that comes with the machine, and then use the 3D embossing folder with your paper in the middle. Then use the 3D embossing folder plate on top. And it's that easy. We always want to create amazing products for you, and I really think we have with our new dies, embossing folders, and more. I'm excited for all of you to use these products and create beautiful things with them. Before I go, let me explain something very important. When using Stampin' Up! Product with other machines, please do not try and force anything through a machine. Make sure to read your machine's instructions and only shim with what you think is necessary. If it feels too tight, don't run it through. We want to keep you and your machines happy. Thank you and have a great day.